Hi, my name is Alana and my pronouns are she, her, her.
My name is Faith Hang. My pronouns are she, her, hers.
My name is Fanny or Fantasy Vane. My pronouns are anything said with respect and love.
My name is Naomi Lord and my pronouns are she or hers.
My name is Valerie Yang. My pronouns are she, her, hers.
My name is Emily. My pronouns are she, her, hers.
And we
are youth leaders with Southeast Asian
Youth Milwaukee
at HAWA. April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, which means young girls like me, women, LGBTQ+, or sexual assault survivors can use this month and this time to create awareness and end the violence that has happened to them before it happens to anybody else.
Sexual assault happens so often to young folks that many people disregard their needs.
We need to change our world and how it reflects on society and the ideals around women, girls, trans, gender neutral folks.
Our community needs to change now.
We need voices to be heard, and it's important we don't hide away our resilient women, queer, trans, and all gender identities experiences.
Listening and trusting is extremely necessary, and when it comes to us, the world is nothing without us.
It is really important that we let them know that we are here and that we care.
To all the ladies, young women, queer, trans, and gender non-conforming person, you are not alone, and we all stick beside you.
On April 28th,
On April
28th, HAWA will be sending our own letters to women, girls, queer, trans, and gender non-conforming folks
to remind our community that they are not alone and we are here to listen and support. Message or call us confidentially if you would like us to send you or someone you love a letter of affirmation and love through the mail.
Lastly, reach out to HAWA for direct support services around sexual assault.
HAWA stands with you.